Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swati's Saj Creation. Let us learn today quick veg pizza. Cheesy pizza. Before we move to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for the future notifications. First, let us start with the pizza sauce. How to make the pizza sauce? 4 green chilies, 8 clove garlic, 1 big onion, 5 tomatoes, 1 capsicum, 1 beetroot and 1 carrot. Chop all the veggies well and grind them in the mixture. Heat the pan, do not add any oil or ghee. Now add the puree which you made. Let it cook for a while, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Boil until the water evaporates. Look how it's bubbling. Now let's get started. First it will go chili flakes. It's 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt to taste. Chili sauce, it's 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. Now mix them. Preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then you have to put the base in just for 5 minutes so it becomes crispy. Now apply butter. Then the pizza sauce which we made. Just spread it evenly. Now it's time to add all the veggies. Green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. It's looking colorful. Onions. You have to make sure you have to chop all the veggies in the same size. Baby corn. This is basil leaves. You just have to break it with your hand and just spread all evenly on the pizza. Really, it tastes so good with the basil leaves. Now it's time to grate cheese. I have taken nearly 2 cubes of cheese to cover the entire pizza. It's absolutely absolutely up to you if you want to use half cheese cube or one cheese cube. It's absolutely up to you. Now it's ready to go in the oven. I'm placing it in the oven. I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. It's ready. You have to sprinkle red chili flakes or